Did you know over 90% of soy and corn in the US are genetically modified? And the next generation of crops might not even need pesticides. Let's break it down. From the first genetically modified tomato to CRISPR-engineered supercrops, agriculture has come a long way. But where are transgenic crops heading next? Buckle up, we're diving into the wild past, present, and future of GMOs. First up, the rise of transgenic crops. It all started in the 1990s. Scientists figured out how to add genes from one organism into another. Boom! We got the first GMO tomato, followed by pest-resistant Bt cotton, herbicide-tolerant soybeans, and golden rice packed with vitamin A. The idea was better yields, fewer pesticides, and more resilient crops. But not everyone was thrilled. Fears of genetically engineered food exploded, despite studies proving GMOs are safe. So what's next? Let's look at 5 breakthroughs in transgenic crops. Forget old-school GMOs. The future is even crazier. Number 1. CRISPR gene editing. Imagine editing plant DNA like a text document. No foreign genes, just improved crops. That's CRISPR. Scientists are making wheat that won't trigger gluten allergies and mushrooms that don't turn brown. Number 2. RNAi. Pest control without pesticides. Instead of spraying pesticides, why not turn off the bug's "I'm hungry" genes? That's RNA interference. It's already in action with SmartStax Pro Corn, taking down rootworms with 0 chemical sprays. Number 3. Gene pyramiding. Why stop at one genetic upgrade? Gene pyramiding stacks multiple traits: pest resistance, drought tolerance, and herbicide resistance, all in one crop. This keeps pests from evolving resistance too fast. Number 4. Climate-resilient crops. The drought defenders. With rising temperatures and shrinking water supplies, we need crops that can survive extreme weather. Drought-tolerant maize and salt-resistant rice are already being tested in real fields. Number 5. Transgrafting, the GMO loophole. People fear eating GMOs, but what if only the roots were modified? Transgrafting could create disease-resistant trees with totally natural fruit, a potential game-changer for organic farming. And finally, the big question: will people accept it? Science is moving fast. But will people actually eat these high-tech crops? CRISPR is already sidestepping GMO labels, but public perception is still mixed. This is where things get tricky. What do you think? Are these the future of farming or a disaster waiting to happen? Let me know in the comments. If you think CRISPR crops are the future, hit that like button. If you're still skeptical, comment why. And if you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of food. Until next time, happy farming.